Hello everyone. Look at what I have for you today. Here's an interesting binocular. It has a personalized inscription for Ivan Mikhailovich on his 50th birthday. And the date? Probably this kind of binocular. Well, the engraving on the left prism cover was done right at the factory. And none at all. There are no markings indicating what kind of binocular this is. After looking online, various photos of different binoculars, 1240, and also I noticed the comments under the photos from people who follow my channel, and, well, I guess I conclude that this could probably be the BPB binocular from ZOMZU, or the B12 from ZOMZU, or the B12 Geodesia. Here's the coating it has. If it's hard to see, I'll be filming through this binocular at the end of the video. The coating has this purple reflection. And I also noticed one more detail. To be honest, I've never looked at other binoculars, or maybe I just didn't pay attention. In this place, under the cover, which shows the interpupil distance, there's this little stopper. There is a hole in the lid, and thanks to this, when we bend and unbend the binoculars, and in general, this one, the cover, can't rotate in any way. So if you place it like this, it will be at an angle. Therefore, first it is necessary to place it evenly so that the stopper fits into this cover, and then you can screw it on. I'm just curious if other binoculars like the 1240 ones also have such a stopper. Please write in the comments. I also found information online that the binoculars produced at the Geodesia factory have almost no distortion. Look here. I don't notice it at all. So I'm looking from the very edge, and this construction screen doesn't bend at all. So maybe it is after all. The binocular was produced at the Geodesia factory. Overall, there are many video reviews on such binoculars. This video will be short, and it will only be about the eyepiece, because many people ask or search online what the arrangement of the lenses in the eyepiece should be. Sometimes someone gets a binocular, buys it, and the image is blurry or incorrect because the lenses in the eyepiece were mounted incorrectly. And sometimes a person disassembles it themselves. The lenses got mixed up, and now you don't know how to put them back in the right way. Pretty simple to assemble. We're making a little pyramid. It's best to gently blow on it. And we screw it in. I screwed in the lenses. At this point, I applied the sealant again. Well, all that's left is to apply the lubricant to the thread and screw it back in the eyepiece in the binoculars. Overall, the problem with this binocular was that it had double vision. I aligned it. You can see how to align the binoculars to your own eyes, I have separate videos on the channel. Look for it and you'll find it. Well, regarding the eyepiece, I hope this video will be helpful for someone and make it much easier to assemble the lenses in the correct order. Thank you all for watching the video and see you next time.